Your stock picks. Shane, what will you choose today?
So very briefly, I want to punt the PGM sector. When Amplat is unbundled out of Anglo American, the weighting of the platinum sector is going to go from 4% to 6%. And that's in the SWIX and in the SA MSCI. So there'll be a lot of passive fund buying. The platinum metals are up 10% year to date. I think it's an unloved sector. And I think it's a good opportunity to implement a contrarian view. So any of the platinum shares, just because the weighting is going to become meaningful in the index.
And they are actually very loved today. Your stock pick for today, Devin?
I'm going to go for the S&P 500 Equal Weighted ETF. And what I'm doing here is, over the last 2 years, the S&P 500 market cap weighted has really been the place to be, led up strongly by those magnificent 7 shares. But what you've got now is that they are really dominating that index, approximately a third of it there. Yeah. And you could argue on very high valuation. So my sense is that this US exceptionalism is likely to continue under the Trump administration. But to get more meaningful exposure to the other 493 companies in that index, this equally weighted index gives that to you. So reduces concentration and single stock risk. And this index has actually historically outperformed the market cap weighted one. So we think it's a good time to be going in there with stretched valuations on the top couple and still giving yourself nice quality US exposure.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. I really appreciate it. And happy Valentine's Day. Thanks to our guest, Devin Shutte from the Robey Group and Shane Watkins from All Weather Capital. Remember that Stock Watch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. And is live at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while Stock Watch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Lots of times to keep in mind. But do keep your questions coming nonetheless. For now, that is all from today's Stock Watch. That is Stock Watch this week. But do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.